Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to find the nearest McDonald's location. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to find the nearest McDonald's location. We'll start by opening up a McDonald's app. Once you open up a McDonald's app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where it says more. Make sure to tap on more right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look on where it says locations. Make sure to tap on where it says locations. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. And make sure to tap on where it says nearby. And that's how you find the nearest McDonald's location. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find on my video description. And thank you for watching.